Welcome. Today in front of me Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So we got two ways how we can do that. The first one, you should just go into the notification panel, and somewhere here you can find the NFC icon. In my case, that's here on the second screen. And just to enable the NFC, tap once here on the NFC icon, and that's it. And if you want to just turn it off, tap here again on this icon. You will see here the icon of NFC if it's activated. And the second way is you just should go to this into the settings application, and here tap on the connection and sharing, and right there you will see the NFC section. Just tap once near the NFC on the switcher to activate it on your device, and just to turn it off, tap here again on the switcher. Now that's it. As can you see, that's really easy. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.